Join me as I take the plunge and try to launch my very own startup business from scratch using AI. I'm super stoked to share this journey with you, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. I've been thinking about this for a while and I'm ready to take the leap. In this video, I'll be sharing my story from the initial idea to the launch of my startup, and I hope you'll find it entertaining and maybe even inspiring. Deciding to start my own business using AI hasn't been easy. I've had to deal with a lot of fears and uncertainties. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if I run out of money? These are just a few of the questions that have been swirling in my head. I've always been someone who's comfortable with taking calculated risks, but this is on a whole different level. I've been trying to push these fears aside and focus on the reasons why I want to start my own business. I want to be my own boss. I want to create something from scratch, and I want to pursue my passion using AI to help me. But it's hard to shake off the feeling of uncertainty. I've been talking to friends and family. They're all super supportive, but I know that at the end of the day, this is my decision. It's also doing research for this idea and planning, trying to figure out what kind of business I want to start. I've been reading books, articles and online courses, trying to learn as much as I can. I've been brainstorming ideas, talking to potential customers and trying to validate my assumptions. It's been a lot of work, but it's also been really exciting to see my ideas start to take shape. One of the biggest insights I've had is that I need to focus on solving a real problem. I don't want to just create something because I think it's cool. I want to create something that people will actually use. So I've been trying to identify a problem that I'm passionate about solving, and I think I've finally found it. The moment I decided to take the leap and officially launch my startup was a weird time of emotion. I was excited, nervous and scared all at once. I remember sitting at my desk, staring at the laptop screen and just thinking, what am I doing? But at the same time, I felt a sense of relief and liberation. I felt like I was finally taking control of my life and pursuing my dreams, trying all out to do something. I think what's really pushed me over the edge was realizing that I wasn't going to have all the answers to start. I wasn't going to have a perfect plan or a guaranteed success. I was willing to take the risk and get started and see where it took me. And that's when it hit me. I'm doing this, I'm actually doing it. So to recap, it's been a bit of a wild ride so far. I've faced my fears, doing my research, and finally taken the leap. I'm excited to see where the journey takes me, and I'm grateful to have you along for the ride. If you've been thinking about starting your own business, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below and share your idea. If you want to follow along my journey, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. But I'm looking forward to sharing more updates with you soon in new videos. If you want to discuss anything you heard in this video with me, that's Alan from alpusonlineai.com, then don't hesitate to call me on 07539 141257 from outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or the landline +033 224 1257. From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusonlineai.com or alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.